Hey, Zach, how's it going?
Hey, Tommy.
Looking good here.
It's coming along, right?
So what's going on with the slab?
So this slab was an addition, and it's a little bit, about 3/4 of an inch out of level.
I can see that.
Yeah, so it's not level. So when we reframed all of this floor, we actually held it up an inch above the highest point, and that allows us to get sleepers that we have enough meat to nail into, and we get some insulation, so we get a thermal break from that slab on the subfloor.
I see. Now, what have you got on the slab? It looks like you've coated it with something.
Yeah, this is actually a roll-on membrane. One coat retards vapor and two blocks it completely, so it'll keep that moisture from traveling up into the subfloor.
Well, that's good, because I know when this slab was probably poured, they didn't have a vapor barrier there, so that moisture would run up and get underneath the floor system.
Exactly.
All right, so you're air sealing around the perimeter, and then you're ready to install the sleepers?
I'm just gonna put this last piece in, and then we can start cutting these sleepers.
All right, I'll give you a hand. All right, that looks good.
All right, so I've got these pressure treated 2x4s.
Yeah?
And got them cut to length already.
Okay, we'll place it on. I see you got them all marked off.
Yep.
I can see this lines up with the joist on the other side of the house, so all the sheeting joints will line up great. All right, so I can see that the slab is pretty straight, but you do have a dip in the middle there. So
Yeah.
are you gonna scribe this?
No, there's not a lot of undulation. So if we just push some weight on it to make sure we follow the contour of the slab, we can just snap a line across the top between the two level ledgers.
That's a good idea, and it'll save some time. So I'll
Oh,
hold
for
it
sure.
down if you want to snap that line.
All righty.
Match it up with the other floor. If I step on it, push it tight to the slab, you can run your liner all the way across.
All right, that looks good.
Perfect.
So let's test fit this, make sure it works, then we can put some glue down.
Okay. I'm
Looks
good
good
here.
to me.
Looks good. You put it on the line. Good.
So we're gonna fasten these sleepers down with this nail gun, which has hardened nails, which are proof for concrete.
Right. That's a high pressure gun too, so that'll drive those nicely. All right, here's the insulation. Here's the 1-inch styrofoam right here. Use it on top of the concrete and underside of the sheathing. It will act like a great thermal break.
Yeah, that's gonna help a lot. And we ran these through the table saw, so they should work nicely as spacers for our sleepers.
Right, and it'll put all the sleepers 16 on center. Take it down, line it up. All right. That marries together really nicely. Get a nice even floor there. All tied together. You'll never know there's a concrete slab under here.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.